How to sneak a burrito into a formal event without anyone knowing. Step 1. Burrito selection. Pick a burrito that's firm, but not leaky. No sour cream. This is a stealth mission, not a dairy disaster. Wrap it tight in foil like it's a forbidden space torpedo. Step 2. Outfit modification. You'll need fancy clothes with burrito storage potential. Tux? Hide it in the inner jacket pocket like a meat passport. Dress. Clutch purse equals tactical tortilla module kilt. Burrito holster. Baby. Optional. Duct tape a snack emergency tag inside your sleeve. Step 3. Burrito camouflage. Wrap it in a fancy napkin or gift wrap so it looks like a weird little present. Add a tag. To Sir Beefington, from the Queen. Nobody questions royalty food. Step 4. Distraction tactics. If anyone starts to ask about the burrito lump, just yell, "Oh, nitrogen monoxide, my blood sugar," and start fake fainting dramatically. While they panic, take a bite and whisper, "I regret nothing." Step 5. Elegant consumption. Eat it one tiny bite at a time like it's a $400 steak. Keep a napkin handy in case of drip incidents. If someone catches you mid-bite, say, "This is artisan pocket bread." Why this might actually work: because event security checks for flasks, weapons, or cake smugglers, not stealth burrito boys. You're not breaking rules. You're bringing warmth, carbs, and chaos to a boring ballroom.